Use a bandhani sari, tie and dye material for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. And bring it around the waist to the back side. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Bring the sari around the person and bring to the front again. Make pleats on the pallu and let it flow from back to front, keeping the length short. Pin it on the right shoulder. Adjust the pleats to cover the chest. Use pins to secure on the front side over the blouse. Take the end of the pallu on the left side and secure it under the left arm towards the back with a pin. Now make pleats in the front. Tucking it in the center. Now adjust the pallu backside, which will flow longer diagonal to the body in this style. Use a chiffon or georgette sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Bring the sari around the person and bring to the front again. Make pleats on the pallu, keeping the length short, and pin it over the right shoulder, flowing from back to front. Now make pleats. And tuck it in the center. Secure with pins on the back, wherever needed, to neatly drape the pallu. Use a chiffon or georgette sari for this method. Wear a long sleeve blouse. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Now bring sari over to the right front side. Make pleats on pallu, keeping the length short. Pin it on the left shoulder. Now make pleats in the front and tuck it in the center. Remove the pallu pin and adjust the pleats, keeping the border straight. Pin it along with the blouse on the right side of the chest. Do this such that the chest will be covered with only one layer of fabric and rest pleated in and secured with a pin.